Hello everyone, welcome to our DURMAPRESS factory, and my name is Ida, Ash, Luna. Okay, let's go to the machine. This is our machine's front support, and it can carry heavy weights as well as large areas of panels, and it can automatically raise and lower panels. Okay, let's see the angle materials. This is an angle materials, and it can automatically correct the angle.
So have a look at these details. So the tooling is all blackened, and this is our laser protection, can protect water safety. And have a look at this. This is selling DA69S controller. It is the most advanced technology there. It's touchscreen, and it supports 2D and 3D program function, and you can switch this to exchange its axis.
This is the back side of our machine. This is an 8+1 type, and these are 4 heavy-duty stop fingers. By actually controlling the stop position of the workpieces, it ensures that the position and the size of each workpiece are constant. At the same time, the position and height of the stop fingers can be adjusted as needed to adapt to the position of workpieces of different sizes and shapes. That's all for today's introduction. If you are interested, please contact us. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.